Hello everyone, today we are making garlic chicken wings. They are really tasty, extra crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, with crispy garlic adding incredible flavor and a delicious crunch to every bite. It's easy to make and perfect for family meals and parties. Let's start with the chicken wings. I'm using about 12 wings today. Make 2 shallow cuts on the back of each wing. This helps the chicken absorb the marinade better. Then add a few slices of ginger, salt, cooking wine, and a little flour. Gently massage everything together. This helps clean the surface of the chicken wings and remove any excess blood. After that, rinse the chicken wings well under running water. Also, make sure to pat them dry with paper towels before marinating. And now, as you can see, they are nice and clean and ready for marinating. Add a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon sugar, quarter teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and a tablespoon of cooking wine. Mix everything well and gently massage the seasoning into the chicken wings till they are evenly coated. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. While the chicken wings are marinating, let's prepare the garlic. We'll need about 1 whole head of garlic. Finely mince it, but don't chop it too finely. Next, rinse the minced garlic a few times under running water to remove some of the sticky garlic juices. This helps the garlic fry more evenly and reduces the risk of burning. Then drain it well and let it dry before frying. Now let's make the crispy garlic. Heat the oil to about 120 degrees Celsius. Then add the minced garlic. Fry it over medium to low heat, stirring constantly. You can fry the garlic directly in the oil, but I prefer using a strainer. It keeps the garlic together so you can lift it out as soon as it turns lightly golden and keep the oil cleaner. Now let's coat the chicken wings. Add 2 tablespoons of potato starch. Then toss till the wings are evenly coated. If you don't have potato starch, you can also use cornstarch or a mix of the two. Finally, it's time to fry the chicken wings. We'll be using the same garlic-infused oil, heated to 190 degrees Celsius. Carefully add the chicken wings one at a time. For the first minute, don't move the wings. This helps the coating set properly. After that, turn them occasionally so they cook evenly. As you can see, the actual frying temperature is around 160 degrees Celsius after adding the chicken wings. Fry for about 6 to 8 minutes or till they are fully cooked. Then remove the wings and let them rest for about 10 minutes. While they are resting, clean the oil by removing any bits and reheat it to about 190 degrees Celsius again. Now it's time for the second fry. This step isn't to cook the chicken, but to make the coating even crispier. Fry the wings for about a minute, then remove them once they are golden brown and extra crispy. And that's it. These garlic chicken wings are golden, crispy, juicy, and full of delicious garlic flavor. The crispy garlic adds an incredible aroma and a delicious crunch to every bite. This recipe doesn't require any special ingredients or special cooking skills. It's so simple to make. Every time I make these wings, there's never a single one left. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.